Hello everyone, welcome to Bitter Code. In this video, I am going to show you how we can download and install IntelliJ IDEA and create a sample Java project on that and start it. So let's continue. So for that, first you will have to open any browser, and here you have to search for download IntelliJ IDEA for Windows. So just click enter, and after enter, if you can see the first result is from JetBrains. So you have to just go to this link. So just click on this. So once you click on this link, it will open the JetBrains website, and here you will get some pop-up. So you can accept it also. So just click on accept all, and here you can see download IntelliJ IDEA options are available. There are two options here: Ultimate and Community Edition. Also, if you wanted for Linux or Mac OS, so you can select from there. But I am installing it from Windows, so I will select Windows. And since Ultimate is a paid version, so only 30 days it is a trial version. So we will use the Community Edition. So first we have to download it. So just click on download. So it will download the IntelliJ IDEA for the Windows in your system. Once download is completed, then we can start the installation process. So let it download first. Now you can see the download has been completed successfully. So you can go to your downloads folder, and here you will be able to see the downloaded file. Now to start the installation, you have to just double click on this. So once you double click on this, it will ask you a pop-up to allow it for the installation. So just click on yes if it asks something. After clicking on yes, you can see some installation wizard has been started, and here you have to select just click on next. Once you click on next, it will ask you a destination folder where you wanted to install this IntelliJ IDEA. So just select your keep it as default, like no need to change. It will be in C drive program plus. So keep it as default, and then click on next. Once you click on next, here we are getting multiple options. So you can see if you wanted to create some shortcut here in the desktop, you can click on this IntelliJ IDEA create desktop shortcut. Another thing is update context menu. So if you wanted some project to like right click and open folder as project, so you can just click on this. And since we are going to use the for .java files, if you wanted to open through IntelliJ IDEA, you can click on this create associations. Similarly, you must click this thing, that is it will add this IntelliJ IDEA into a bin folder. So you don't need to do it manually. So just click on it, select, and again click on next. So once you're doing that, here it will show you some other window, and here it is automatically selected JetBrains. So just keep the same thing selected and click on install. So once you click on install, it will you can see the installation has been started, and it is taking some time. So let it install first, and then we will be back. So now you can see the installation has been completed successfully, and it is showing something like you need to reboot the system. So for that, you just have to click on reboot now. You can do it later also, but I would prefer the reboot now button. So just click on reboot now and click on finish. So once you click on this finish, it will restart your system. So let me click on this finish, and I will be back after the system reboot is completed. Now my system reboot has been completed successfully, and you can see this IntelliJ IDEA has one icon has appeared for this in my desktop. If it is not coming for you, you can go to here, uh, Windows and all apps, and here you can search for IntelliJ IDEA. So here you can see it is available here also. So we can open from here also. So let me open it, and here once you click on opening, once you open it, it will show you a pop-up for the first time, and just confirm this and click on continue. And there, if you wanted to share the data for that purpose. You can share it or you can just click on don't send. So now you can see this IntelliJ IDEA is started, and here we have the options like new projects or something. So here you have some other Eclipse projects also. So just I will cover these things in the later part also. But for now, I will just create a normal Java project. So just click on new project. So once you click on new project, it will ask the project name. So let it give the project name as Peter Code or something like, and select the language as Java. Uh, Keep everything as default like IntelliJ and JDK. It will automatically come like if it is installed in your system. If it is not installed in your system, then first install Java, then come back. I have already created a like separate video on installing Java in your system, so you can use that one. So if it is not coming like this, you can add jar also. So you can just click on add jar and you can locate to the Java installed JDK location, or you can directly download the JDK from here also. So there are three options with that. So for now, it is automatically taking because JDK is installed in my system. So just select that one and add a sample code. Just uh, click on create. So once you click on create, you can see one file has opened, and this is the main file. You can see the project has been created, and one main file is also available there. So here, hello world program is also written there. So now you can run this project. So to running this project, you can just right click on the project, and now to run this project you can see at the top we have three buttons. So first one is to run this particular Java file, and second one is to debug. So let me click this one, first one. So you can see the run like compilation and execution is completed, and we are getting the output here like hello world. So similarly, if you change something like welcome to bitter code, just save the file and just click on this button again. So it will show the output in the like console if you run this. So you can now see the output has been changed and it is coming like welcome to bitter code. So in this way you can use this IntelliJ idea. There are a lot of options. If you want, I can cover these things in the later video. So thank you a lot for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.